guys, my name is Kevin. I'm the Chief Agency Director of ERA and the founder of Preeminent Group. So in this series of Agent Investor series, we have selected about 9 of our leaders who have also bought a property recently for themselves. So, as agent, day in, day out, we are all helping our clients to make their property purchase. And I definitely think that having to have investment on your own is definitely going to help you in their job.
So for me, I thought buying a private condo was impossible because they felt that there's no need to. HDB is very comfortable and it serves all our needs. And I thought that maybe private condo is really for the privileged and the rich only. But being in real estate, being a realtor myself, is very fascinating that while I'm able to achieve this in a short number of years.
Property prices are too high, cannot enter already. Right? So this is what people said 20 years ago, this is what people said 10 years ago, this is what people keep saying over and over again. Today, 1,008 PSF may seem ridiculous. What if the prices are going to be 2,008? Right? Who says we are not, who says it's impossible? Right? A lot of people said that property prices will never go across $1 million.
Day in, day out, you have been promoting properties, be it for resale or projects. Our fundamentals is strong. I think over the past 20 years, if you look at the numbers, today's high is tomorrow's low. And it's not the timing the market, but how much time you spend in the market. So I think this is what we have been experiencing in the real estate market. Well done to all teammates in Preeminent Group for taking a leap of faith and step out your property journey and invest and buy projects.
CCR is the way to go because this is where most of the foreigners are buying into the property. That's where they are able to pay a huge amount for even something that they like. So it has always been a dream to acquire a CCR, which I never thought in my lifetime I will achieve this.
So through this experience of balloting and then having a dropout unit and ultimately purchasing a unit in the end, I would say that it actually equips me the skills of understanding my clients better. Yeah, because I tend to know in terms of their emotions from the start all the way to the end. Yeah, so I'll be able to advise them accordingly also.
I think investing in real estate, there's no perfect time. So I'm a real estate guy. So I'm a believer of real estate, because it's basically a tangible product. It's an asset that every Singaporean aspire to achieve, right? So I think we live in Singapore. I think in this context, I think there's never a best time. It's always about whether are you able to afford it. I think if it does and it's within your means, it's always good to take action as early, as young as possible.
I feel so proud of myself to be able to achieve something. I would say a very brief period. So I didn't start off really exactly fantastic. So I only started making a lot of money, I think, only my 3rd year.
Thought back to one private session with Kevin. I think it's really, really inspiring that you really brought that message across that how badly do we want to buy a property? We are property agents. How hard do we want to own a property of our own? And you shared with me that once I eventually bought my first property, I'll be able to relate to my clients on a different level.
And I'm really very, very glad for me to actually see all these young agents and aspiring agents, right, own their first property or even their second property. Right now, we are actually enjoying passive income as well as capital appreciation from that. So for all those that are sitting on the fence right now, I really urge you to really put all your savings and all your monies right to a better use and look into your opportunities that are around you right now.
So I pushed myself to buy a 4-bedroom unit because I have helped countless consumers with their wealth creation. And recently I've sold quite a number of clients' EC units, and the amount of profit that I saw from them is humongous. So I felt that my own property in future, when I sell, I will also have this kind of, enjoy this kind of profit.
There's a very high chance that property prices will continue to rise and go up in the next few years, despite COVID situation. Okay, foreigners are slowly coming into Singapore. Okay, borders are slowly being lifted. Okay, so we are expecting prices to go up, right? So taking advantage of this, okay, with the potential up and coming en bloc wave, right? This is one great opportunity for my agents and our potential buyers to come and consider property as part of a wealth creation platform.
So actually, owning a property is part of the achievement that I would like to unlock, and the timeline I give myself is actually 5 years. So after working for 3 years, I am proud to say that by the age of 30, I've actually owned a property.
The first stage of difficulty will be the papers. Yeah, so I took three attempts. Third attempt, then I passed. I actually asked Kenny a lot of questions, but Kenny just assured me, say that, you know what, just believe in the system, attend the trainings. If you don't know anything, just ask us. This is my first job, my first company, but my first group, and I've never regretted ever since.
So, we in Preeminent Group, we really try to, eat the cookie that we bake, just for our clients. So we are investors ourselves, and we really understand how you feel and what process are you going through your head when you're making that decision. So I hope with this Preeminent Group Investor Series will definitely bring more value to our viewers. Well, so I hope, if you are watching this video out there, reach out to our agents or our leaders for more inquiries. I think we will definitely do our best to help you make a sound and good decision.